Hi friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these quick and easy conversation hearts that you can batch create for family, friends, coworkers, or classmates. They're fun, nostalgic, and perfect for Valentine's Day, so let's dive right in. To get started, the paper I'll be using is from the Harmony Hues Pastel Paper Pack in their pastel color line. You get 5 soft pastel colors and 100 sheets, which makes this perfect for batch crafting, but you can use whatever you have on hand. I've created a simple template for this project. Each piece will measure 5.5 inches long by 3 inches wide, and we're going to score at 1 3/8 inches on each side. I'm going to go ahead and cut my paper down to size, so first to 5.5 inches, and then trimming it to 3 inches wide. I'm using this Dress My Craft paper trimmer, which I absolutely love because it's a 2-in-1 tool. It cuts and scores. So now I'm going to go ahead and score at the 1 3/8 inches mark on each side of the paper. Once that's done, fold the sides inward and use a bone folder to get a nice crisp edge on each side. You'll repeat this exact process for all of the colors you want to use. Next, I'm using the scrapbook.com nested stitch heart dies, but if you don't have the dies, you can absolutely trace a heart and cut it out by hand. I'm using the second largest die out of the set of 5. You want to leave a little space between the die and the folded side. This will create those little hinges on each side of the heart. I'll run this through my die cutting machine, and here's what the heart looks like once it's cut. Now, right now the hearts look pretty flat, so to add a little bit more dimension, I'm using distress ink around the edges of each heart. The colors I'm using are Shaded Lilac, Shabby Shutters, Broken China, Worn Lipstick, and Scattered Straw. I'm just giving each heart a light dusting around the edges of the color, nothing too heavy, just enough to add a little depth. For the sentiment inside each heart, you can handwrite a cute little saying or use stamps. I'm using this Conversation Heart stamp set by Crafter's Companion, which comes with both the stamps and an ink pad. And just a quick tip, anytime you're using a new stamp, be sure to season it by gently rubbing it with your fingers. This helps to remove any manufacturer oils and gives you cleaner stamped images. Here are the completed hearts with their sentiments. Smile, be happy, love you, be mine, how sweet, XOXO, my hero, hey sugar, you are cute, and I love you. These little conversation hearts pair perfectly with an actual box of candy conversation hearts for an extra fun Valentine's touch. This is such a quick and easy project that you can batch create in a short amount of time. Perfect for classroom treats, coworkers, or Happy Mail. I hope you enjoyed this project. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with more Valentine's Day content. Bye, friends.